Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming account access and picking one clear objective for the chat. Once signed in, open a new conversation and paste brief context: who, what, and desired output. You should include constraints like length, tone, or format. For example, short email, 3 bullets, formal. Then provide a single, specific instruction so the model has direction. These first steps set the stage for useful replies and prevent vague or irrelevant outputs. You now focus on prompt structure. State the goal, give essential context, and show a brief example output. Once done, split complex tasks into subtasks and ask for numbered steps so results are scannable. Make incremental edits when responses miss the mark, adjust phrasing, lower or raise temperature, and set token limits. You should request clarification questions from the model if needed, which reduces guesswork and yields more accurate, actionable outputs. You finish by validating the output. Check facts, numbers, and required format, then export or integrate the result. If you need changes, ask for revisions with exact edits, point to lines or phrases. If the model goes off track, try a short troubleshooting routine. Simplify the prompt, provide a concrete example, or clear prior chat context and restart. This usually fixes hallucinations and misinterpretations, so you get reliable, usable results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.